Matter, anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter.
هغه شی چې هغه وزن لري او ځینې سي هغه ته مونږه میټر وایو.
1. Those things which take place. Which have mass. So what is mass? The quantity of matter in an object is called mass.
په ډیفینیشن کې چې دی which take occupy space نو د دې نه خو مونږ ته پته لګي چې ځینې سي. and what is mass? So mass is the quantity of matter in object is called its mass. په یو object کې د matter څومره quantity ده هغه ته مونږه mass وایو.
The physical material of the universe is called matter. Universe consists of air, metals, rocks, soil, vegetables, animals, plastics, fertilizers, etc. All the substance we can see and feel around us are made up matter. Millions types of different substances are known and all of them are in the form of solid, liquid and gas. Plasma is the fourth state of matter that also exists in the sun and stars at a very high temperature. The stuff of the universe is made of more than 100 elements. These elements are made of atoms. Physical and chemical changes of matter. Changes in matter may be physical or chemical. If ice is heated, it converts into water. At room temperature, it converts into liquids. On further heating, it vaporizes into gaseous form. Physical changes occur, but all these states, the chemical formula will be same. H2O.NO changes in chemical formula. If we keep iron sheet in moist air, it rusts. Is a chemical change because iron Fe changes to Fe2O3 ferric oxide rust. They changes the composition occurs from Fe to Fe2O3.